In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to your Zillow listing. Whether you're trying to enhance the appeal of your property or simply update the visuals to reflect recent improvements, adding photos can significantly impact the way potential tenants or buyers perceive your listing. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure your property stands out. First, we'll begin by logging into Zillow Rental Manager. You'll want to head to the Zillow Rental Manager website and proceed to sign in using your account credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy, as this will allow you seamless access to your property listings. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you can see all your managed properties. Here, you'll select the property you wish to update with some new photos. Clicking on the property takes you to a detailed page featuring the listing information. To edit your listing, look for the Edit button. Clicking on this button will open up the listing details where you can make your changes. It's important to take your time here to ensure that every update you make accurately reflects the most appealing aspects of your property. As you edit, navigate to the Photos section within the listing editor. This is where we'll be adding those all-important images. The Photos section is your opportunity to visually tell the story of your property, so it's crucial to choose images that best showcase its amenities and strengths. Now, let's upload some photos. Click on the Add Photos button, which allows you to upload images directly from your computer. Alternatively, if you find it more convenient, you can use the drag and drop feature, where you simply drag your chosen images into the designated upload area. Remember, high-quality images make a big difference, so ensure that the photos you select are clear, well-lit, and feature different angles of each room. After your photos have uploaded, you'll have the chance to arrange them. The order of your images can influence how a viewer experiences the property virtually, so take this opportunity to highlight the most inviting spaces first. Simply drag and drop the photos until they are in an order that makes sense to you. Next, consider adding captions to your photos. Captions are a great tool to offer more detail and context. For example, you might want to highlight a spacious living room or a modern kitchen. This adds another layer of information that can appeal to prospective tenants or buyers. Once you're satisfied with the photos and their captions, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure that all your updates are reflected in the listing. This final step updates your listing, making it viewable to all potential renters or buyers as they search through properties on Zillow. And that's it. Follow these steps, and you'll have a visually engaging, updated Zillow listing in no time. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your property.